In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set stop loss in Binance spot trading using the mobile app. This is useful if you want to protect your trades and avoid unexpected losses. Let's get started. First, go to Binance.com and sign in using your registered email and password. Make sure your two-factor authentication is enabled to access your dashboard. Next, tap the Trade button located at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can access all your trading tools. Then choose the Spot option on the top bar. This will let you manually buy or sell crypto directly. After that, choose your preferred crypto pair, for example, BTC/USDT or ETH/USDT. Make sure you have some available balance to place the order. And finally, you'll see the limit option by default. Tap it and change it to stop limit. Now you can set your stop price and your limit price to automate your sell order. That's how to set a stop loss in Binance spot trading using the mobile app. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple crypto tutorials. See you next time!